Good morning, welcome to Laurel Hedge. My name's Matt and I wanted to show you what's blooming here in Laurel Hedge Gardens in July. And it's about July 11, and behind me you can see the Mattia poppy, or the fried eggplant, California tree poppy. It's got a lot of names, but mostly I just really enjoy this plant. It's going to bloom now for the next month or so and through the rest of the summer. And up here in Oregon, it does die back all the way to the ground, and comes back pretty vigorously every spring. Another shrub blooming right now is the bridal gown hydrangea. You can see it behind me blooming. We have several in this shady garden in the front of our house. It's under a big oak and a cedar tree, and the hydrangeas really like it here because they get dappled sun and enough shade. Another hydrangea blooming right now in the garden, you can see behind me, is the Annabelle hydrangea, and we have a huge bank of them right behind the Laurel Hedge here, which protects them very well. They're a great old-fashioned hydrangea, a little floppy. Sometimes they fall over, so if you want a more upright hydrangea, I would get Incredible maybe, but I love these Annabelles. They're just wonderful, and they bloom early for hydrangea and for a long time. Thanks for watching. We'll join you next month for what's blooming in August, and please like and subscribe. It helps our channel quite a bit. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next month.